Kalstein Roller Mixer, a compact and reliable mixing solution engineered for precise and consistent rolling motion in modern professional laboratory environments. The intuitive control panel features a clear digital display showing RPM and time, with dedicated station selection, increment and decrement keys, and a start-pause key for full-cycle control. The roller mixer delivers a speed range of 20 to 80 revolutions per minute, fully adjustable to meet the specific mixing requirements of every sample and protocol. The Kalstein Roller Mixer offering unparalleled mixing capacity thanks to its innovative rocking and rolling motion. Equipped with 6 rollers, 28 centimeters in length, accommodating tubes with diameters from 6 to 34 millimeters for maximum versatility. Compatible worldwide. Power supply operates on AC 100 to 220 volts, 50 or 60 Hz, at 25 watts of efficient power consumption. The rotary stirring motion ensures a complete and uniform mix, achieving total homogenization of samples. The roller mixer supports a maximum capacity of 12 50 milliliter centrifuge tubes simultaneously, with a maximum load of 0.6 kilograms per session. Explore the complete Kalstein Laboratory Shaker catalog, multiple models, multiple applications, one trusted brand. Kalstein, we bring science to life.